This is one of the most disturbing and distressing things I'll ever have to talk about. But if you're in the unfortunate position where your child makes a disclosure, there are some things you should know. For one thing, do not ask any questions. I'll explain why in a minute. You do not even react to what the child is actually telling you. In the meanwhile, you're recording it or you're writing it down word for word exactly as the child has said it. And with a bit of luck, you'll have someone there on another phone or whatever able to call the police for a Child Protection Unit officer, the CPU Child Protection Unit. That's the department that you need. They will send over a specially trained police officer and they will interview that child on their own, in a room on their own. And that testimony that that officer writes is 100% unequivocal evidence that what that child said may well have actually happened. It is valid evidence for a judge to look at, and no one in God's earth is ever going to argue with that statement. The danger is, and this is something that you notice social services doing, this is what they're taught to do. They said, oh, you can ask a question so long as it's not a leading question. That's absolute rubbish. So what I'm saying is you don't ask any questions at all. Just write down what the child said, nothing else, nothing more. And that evidence from a police officer will get a conviction. Now, when these cases, there's so many cases that the social services can't possibly deal with them all. Thousands and thousands of them every day, every year. So the way that they process these allegations and disputes is to put them through the family court system. And another thing that the paedophiles used to do, because when I worked at the bail hostels, this came up quite a lot. When they got into the court, one of the things they would say is, well, this never happened, Your Honour. This was an accusation that was discussed with the child, and an idea was put into the child's head, and the whole event was misinterpreted as being a sexual assault.